Hey y'all, and welcome to this meditation video. And in this meditation we're going to do some gratitude. Gratitude is something that is easy to practice once you get the hang of it, but when you first start it, it can be difficult or just feel awkward or weird. But the benefits of gratitude are far-reaching and can have a great impact on your mood and make you realize that your life is actually maybe a little bit better than you would have thought. Our minds are so typically focused on the negative and what can be improved and what we are lacking that we often do not take the time to appreciate what we already have. That is, until what we already have is gone or missing. Then we notice I took that for granted. So in this meditation, we're going to work on bringing up those blessings and things that we already have so that we don't take them for granted as much. So let's just get into a meditative stance or position, get grounded, settled, and let's take a few deep breaths together. Deep inhale and sigh it out. Exhale. Big sigh. Inhale in. And exhale, let it go. Nothing we need to do right now. Breathe in. And exhale. I want you to take a couple more deep breaths, more natural breaths at your own pace, just to get settled a bit more. Notice my neighbor's dog barking. And as you notice these breaths, can we be thankful and appreciative that we are breathing right now? That each breath we take is another 30 seconds or so of life, however long that breaths last us. Every breath gives us another opportunity to live the next moment, to live this moment. How grateful are we to be able to sit and have a moment to reflect, to relax a bit, and to appreciate what we have. How we have a little device that can stream data from people all over the world, and though I may never meet you in real life, we're able to share a moment, to share a meditation together. How cool is that? Or the fact that you more than likely had a meal today, that you had food to nourish your body, and that your body automatically knows what to do with it, transforms it through these amazing biological mechanisms to transform it into energy that you can use to go about your day. The clean water you have to drink, the clothes that you are wearing to keep you warm or cool, the place that you live, that likely has electricity, air conditioning, heating, running water, outlets so you can charge that phone or whatever device, you watch TV, the internet. Most of these things I'm describing were not even here 150 years ago. Most people have never got to experience these things, yet we are living in a time where we do have them. And can you imagine not having air conditioning, not having the internet, not having your phone, not having TV, not having a refrigerator and food in it? It's incredible blessings that we have. Now, I would like for you to say one or two things to yourself that you're grateful for that I haven't said yet. And it doesn't have to be anything big or fancy. Just think of one or two things on your own now that you're grateful for. All right. Well, thank you for joining me on this practice. Gratitude is one of those things that you can tap into at any time. And like anything else, the more you do it, the easier it is to feel into it. So the way how I was guiding us at the beginning or in the middle, whatever, of reciting a couple things to be grateful for and kind of getting that mind state going, and then I had you think of one or two. You can tap into that state anytime. And once you do, it becomes easier. So the more, like once an hour or once a day, you could just recite a thing or two to be grateful for, and it becomes easier and easier. And once you do that, it starts to bleed into other aspects of life and bleed into daily life, and you start to see things in a more grateful manner or attitude. And once that happens, you get free happiness, free joy and free appreciation. So thank you for joining me in this meditation. I hope you all enjoyed it. If so, please feel free to like and subscribe, and I will see you all next time. Thank you.